pain, pain in my foot, pain in my right leg. And my son came to see you with great success. So I decided physical therapy was not working. I'd done like 3 rounds of physical therapy without any success. So I decided, what do I have to lose? So I came to see you the first time in May. It's been phenomenal. I mean, from the first time I came in, I walked out of here feeling 15 years younger, able to bend my leg, which I could not do before, and just feeling, okay, I'm not getting as old as I think I am. So it's been a wonderful experience. Every time I come in, I leave feeling much better than I do when I walk in the door. And so it's been absence of pain, comfort. I have the ability to walk upstairs, which I couldn't do when I came in, and I think we started in May. So it's just being comfortable again without worrying, oh, I see a flight of stairs. Oh my gosh, how am I going to get up those stairs? I don't have to worry about that anymore. I can get up the stairs. I can go to sleep at night and not have severe pain up and down my right leg. So it's been, the absence of pain has been a godsend. So, or a miracle, as I prefer to call it. Don't hesitate. I mean, I have been in the medical field my entire life. I believe in traditional medicine and the effects of it. But I think people need to step out of the box and try it because it sounds, I don't understand if this is going to work for me. Try it. You have nothing to lose but pain. So why not give it a shot and try?